What's up, YouTube? Man, today is a gloomy, overcast day. I'm out here with my Benjamin Akela 22 cal. Gonna be shooting JSB Jumbo Heavies, 18.13 grain. Man, I don't know. You know how you get in that little funk when you, I don't know, you're kind of tired. I had a long work week. Then it's just a gloomy day. I got my boys this weekend, and believe it or not, one of them is sick. He's just sleeping. The other one, he's trying to play some games, but he's doing a lot of sleeping too. Anyway, I hope I'm using my phone today. I hope this zooms in. Now, I know I'm going to have to scoot this, but it's not going to be, well, maybe I won't. And I hope you guys can see it, because I have to tell it. Yeah. Hope you guys can see it, man. That's probably the best that this is gonna zoom in. I am shooting. I'm shooting 30 yards today. So anyway, just spend a little time with you guys today. If you can see it, that's great. If not, hey, you got to spend some time with me, because I'm gonna post it anyway. All right. I'm going to shoot at the bullseye. Hey, we got a little cardinal up there with us. Can you guys see the cardinal? You can't. And I would move it, but that would probably cause a whole bunch more adjustments. Anyway, I am shooting at the target on the right. I'm going to shoot at the bottom red dot. Man, this trigger is not that bad at all. It looks like this little gun is dead on. That's two. I know the dot disappeared, but that's two holes in the target. What I could do now, they're all three pretty much same hole. What I probably could do is come down a little bit. So that's 3 clicks down. Let's see what happens with that. And that perfect spot down where I was trying to come, because I'm shooting at the bottom, not at the bullseye, but that would have been dead. I mean, I'm shooting at the little dot, but that would have been dead center, which is what I wanted. But it was to the left. And it's still to the left, but it did move over right. And I guess, if I'm being honest, even though those other three are same hole, they would be about in that same spot. So I'm gonna move it 2 clicks and see what happens. How about another click? But even with all this adjustment, that is probably a dime group. And I'm still gonna come over. This time I'll just do 2 clicks to the right. And it'll probably jump real good this time. The scope I am using is my Centra first focal plane. And that's Truglo for you guys who don't know who Centra is. I'm moving it to the right, but I swear I'm still shooting left. And still moving to the right. And coming down 2 more clicks. This is 3000 feel. Let's see what happens. Going back up. All right, so that's 12 shots, and man, it's all in the same hole. Maybe just a tad a tad larger than a dime, but they're all in the same spot. I'm gonna go ahead and reload the magazine, but I think what I'm gonna do is maybe shoot at the red dot on the right. So let's get this loaded. Our little cardinal is back, and now he's gone. The magazine holds 12. I'm halfway there. More than halfway. Got about 2 more to go. Last one now. All right. And then there's a little robin over there. We're getting a lot of little birds watching. All right, to the right. And that was, man, that was dead center. So that took the dot totally off, but I mean, it was dead center. To the left of the target, there are some, you know what? I know you guys are struggling to see those, so I'm gonna move you right there. See the paintballs? The paintballs are 11 yards, guys. I'm gonna come back just a little. I don't know how good that's actually showing. I think that's pretty good. Now, I'm set at 30, and I don't really have an adjustment on here besides, and this is a first focal plane, besides my vision. And believe it or not, this scope, even though it says 10 yards, is not bringing this into focus real good for me. But yeah, it's not doing anything. Now, when you're using the first focal plane, from my understanding, when you adjust that, it's supposed to change too, but you have yardage that you can change. But anyway, I'm not going to change the yardage. I'm just going to change my focus on here. And I don't know, just give it a shot, guys. All right, let's see what happens. I'm shooting at the one in the middle. All right, so I know that went over it. So I'm gonna shoot one paintball height below it. That went to the right of it. I don't know where that one went. I don't know where that one went. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shoot at that one of the holes on the thing and see where it's hitting. Oh, it's shooting way low. And I thought it was shooting high. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Let's try it again. And I broke the stick. That's not a good thing. All right, let's try the one on the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Think that went over it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it's supposed to do, right? All right, the one next to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that did bust it. It just hit the top of the ball. So we're gonna try to go ahead and take that ball off. One, 2, 3, 4. Man. All right, I'm out. Struggling, guys. But I am not going to hide any of this because we're just out hanging around, having fun. So this is like you guys being over here with me today. And hey, if you were actually here with me, you would actually see the misses, right? All right, so no changes, nothing super or spectacular today. This is just friends hanging out, having a little fun. And maybe if you guys was here today, I could see you miss a little bit. Also, I wanted to do this because a lot of times when you shoot 10 yards, guys say, that's just 10 yards. Anybody can shoot 10 yards. Well, a lot of scopes will not focus at 10 yards. And most people don't set 10 yards up on their scopes when there's 0 in them. They actually, I'm gonna say 30, 35, maybe 40 is what most people zero. So if your gun is not set up for 10 yards, 10 yards is a whole lot harder than you think. All right, so let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I think it hit the top again and just pushed it over. And hit that stick and it's gone. So anyway, let's move over to the one on the one on the right with the ball. And that's how it's supposed to be done. All right, so now the last one with the ball. And again, that's how it's supposed to be done. So I did not make any changes. So I want you guys to go back out with me to 30 yards. And again, I know that's probably hard for you guys to see because I'm using my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and take this magazine and finish it out, and then we're gonna say that was a good day for us. All right. So I gotta adjust it back for me. All right, so the last shot we did was the dot on the right, and on the right target. So now we're just gonna move over to the left target and we're gonna do the same dot on the right. And I need to cock it. All right, so that would have been dead center. It did hit it, but it was a little to the right. And that would have been dead center. It didn't hit it. It was right below it. And now, all of a sudden, I'm shooting to the right, but I'm not going to make any changes. I'm just going to adjust the gun just a little bit. Same thing. Adjust the gun just a little bit. All right, so now we're going to go to stand on the same target, the target on the left. There is a red dot at the top. That's what we're going to shoot at. That would have been dead center, but it was to the right. Well, dead up under it. Touching the bottom. Well, okay, guys. I know I said I was going to empty the magazine, but, yeah. You know I never can do what I say, right? All right, so got another pellet in there. I'm going to add, I don't know. Let's do 5 more shots and we really will, you know, we really will call it. And I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me and seeing, hey, when you're just out shooting, it don't always look like the videos. Gonna go back up. Well, no, I'm gonna shoot at the target on the left, the bullseye. I'm just checking my air. I'm at 2,000 PSI, so I don't know why I'm shooting low. I think what I'm having is some leveling issues. I don't have levels on this scope, so I think that's why we're getting all these crazy misses. Don't worry, I'm ordering some. Well, that should have been the last shot, but I want it to end with my bolt probe still in the gun, so it's going to be one more shot, and then that will be it for good, for real. Just because I want my bolt probe in the gun. All right. Last shot, guys. How about that? Dead center. All right, guys, man, it's been fun hanging out with you guys. And you know the drill. Well, before I tell you the drill, again, the Benjamin Akela 22 with the Truglo Central first focal plane scope. It is a 4x14x44. And we've been shooting JSB Jumbo Heavy 18.13 grain. Anyway, guys, it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed spending a little time with me. And until next time, stay safe, shoot straight.